Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's a boy No Saint, and I'm back with another banger, baby. Okay, sure, as you can see, I'm not alone. I'm here with
Asakhe isiqhaqini.
Mojo. I got my Mpazamisa. Shoot boy. Mpazamisa. Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's a boy No Saint, and I'm back with another banger, baby. And Sapazamisa was strato, but it's fine. Otherwise, I'm here with
Asakhe isiqhaqini.
Okay, sure, guys. So what's gonna happen is we'll be doing like a Q&A, yeah, bro. We'll be doing like a Q&A. So like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, yeah, bro. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Otherwise, yeah. The first question is, so like when I don't want to like happy, when what makes you like happy?
What makes me happy?
Yeah.
It's actually being around my family.
Okay. So in the type, are you going to be champion?
Go I'm not dating.
Oh, you're not dating now? Away. Anesvela chance utaka jewel it does. Don't be
kukho umfana endibhizi naye. Anothi basiyajola.
Away. So like Jay and D spice up kancane. Like where do you see yourself like in 5 years?
I see myself ndinendlu yam, ndineemoto zam. Yeah.
I'm not fair to not like I'm friends bona corner like I feel like I wanna be like the biggest YouTuber in 5 years time. Like yo. Lapon is bona corner like that's my dream. Now like I wanna be the biggest YouTuber. Yeah, well. The other question is Lawe, when you're attracted to someone like when I don't born like when I attracted like don't born like when.
Nobuso bakhe.
So when
And how he dresses.
So when like we like type your bike say how about the bike say like cover off your looks then personality.
Yes.
Yo, guys. Yeah. Imagine njengokubona lo muntu like uyajola naye for like ixeshana and then okay sure umhleni but akanazi ingqondo.
Yo.
Kaloku uthi wena musu ujonga ubuso qala. Yabona we so thini lilonke.
Well ndingamlahla kaloku. Makana ngqondo hanje.
Yo. But yeah, the other question is Lawe, like what is your biggest regret in life like currently ngoku?
My biggest regret is ngokube ndijolana namfana ndijolana naye last year.
Yazi benzokubuza ke ompumfana qha ubone andifuni udaka into deep low way like intoni kwenza ba utsho wena
Ujole ndijole
like utsho ba king lamfana like intoni kwenza ba utsho?
Well actually lamfana wanditshitela wayolala no-cousin wam waphinda wazolala nam. Qha ndava ngetshumi yam uba yeyi lo mfana uleli no-cousin wakho yabo stuff. Ndambhiliva itshumi yam lebindixelela. So ndayotesta ii-results zam zaphuma zithi positive.
And I'm sorry about that. I feel like I don't want to dig into like deep into that, yeah, but guys. But I'm really sorry about letting you like. The next question Lawe is like what is your favorite childhood like memory yakho? Your favorite one? Kwencanywayo qomba.
It was when ngondandihlala apha elokishini yabo. Ndisakhumbula uba sasisuka eShoprite okanye phi. So ngokusingase Salathiso yabo. Samisa itaxi yabo. Sathi siye endaweni ethile. Xa ndisakhumbula ndandisithi siyaphi yabo. So kulaa noteksi amise sibaleke. So njengoba sizawujika bakhe singena emunyu. Athi gqi iteksi sabaleka oko sileqwa ke ngoku.
I'm like ela xesha like bone yaxesha besa rapper thina siyi dope crazy usiyayisusa. That was like my favorite childhood memory like you ela xesha like it was epic dog. Yakhumbula ne? Esekuleni. Man, that was epic from Nalawe. So any question it's about say like when would you go like across the country just for uthando?
I'd never do that.
Why not? Sesiba udibana lo mfana yabo lo mfana mhle nayo yonke into yabo. Yakuthanda and then qhaye ngokunxaka into akahlali yaphi Mosibhini wanthi uhlala eKapa. Yabo. Like wena ungaya kuye just for like uthando.
andinoyi. Or if mhlawumbi kwenzeke something xa ndipha kuye,
Like something like what?
mhlawumbi like andidlwengule andibulale.
Hayi bo. Kaloku jonga andithi mos niqale nazana over the phone yabo. Ufunyanisile yazizana new because like ku trendy ways njalo
Yeah,
ngoba
no,
ikuse
so I would never do that.
nyanisile. Like wena ke ngokwenye ufuna ukubuzana is like since like wena undibonile ba post kufenge ba ikuse about your status and stuff. Like ke ngoku indibone kwenza like onesibindi soba ikuse ubeke la kufenge because like most yabantu like abanye abafuni uziveza wezinja.
The reason I did that, bakhona abanye abantu abaphila nayo, abanye bazelwe nayo, abanye bayifumana ebantwini, yabo. So isizathu soba ndiposte laa nto ba okay bazoqhubekeka batye ii-treatment zabo babone uba okay i-HIV ayibulali as long as utya iipilisi zakho. And bongoyika uthetha neefemeli zabo because after ndipostile bakhona abanye abantwana baye bambhalela, yabo, bathi babayoyika uthetha neefemeli zabo because ezinye iifemeli ziyajaja and-stuff, yabo.
Iyavakala. So like wena ngephi lawe i-advice, what advice would you give like your younger self? It's like hard.
Younger self,
Yeah, like maybe yabo since ungaka ngoku, like what advice would you give like your younger self? Like la vision yakho ibincinci. La asakhe bena 14 ngam advice andoni.
to
To use what? Be honest. To use what?
to use protection okanye PrEP.
Okay. For the 14 years old, abantwana base high school ngoku basangena high school, but I feel like that's the advice you should give them. By say basebenzisiwe ezinjalo because bantwana bakhoyo ngoku. And yo, this is the end of the video. If you like it, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, follow me on TikTok. No, Asake like still social zakho.
I'm only on Facebook. Asake.
Awe. Say comment down below ilawe bani for part 2 on YouTube yabo. Even part 2 Asake because yeah. We out.